The Supreme Court heard Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's petition challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. The hearing is set to continue as well. The High Court had, remember, earlier upheld Kejriwal's arrest in the money laundering case, saying that there was no illegality about it and that the Enforcement Directorate was left with little option after Kejriwal had skipped repeated summons. But Arvind Kejriwal told the top court that his arrest was indeed illegal and that it went against democracy. I'm being joined by my colleague Ishika with more details. Ishika, take us through what we can expect from the hearing over Arvind Kejriwal's application calling his arrest illegal. We saw that yesterday as well. He maintained that the arrest was illegal and it went against the High Court order that was issued on the 9th of April.
Well, yes, Aarti, as you rightly pointed out, yesterday in the court, we did see how Arvind Kejriwal's counsel in the court said that the arrest is, in fact, completely illegal. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel also went on to say, went on to question yet again as to what was the reason for arresting Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, they question as to what were the materials and, that ED has on the basis of which they arrested him. Because certainly, based on these statements, the Arvind Kejriwal counsel again questioned the Enforcement Directorate, saying that only one person, only one witness had named Arvind Kejriwal. So based on that statement, why was there a need of, arresting Arvind Kejriwal? Now, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel also said in the court that just because he did not, in fact, go for the summons does not give right to the Enforcement Directorate to arrest him. Arvind Kejriwal's counsel informed the court saying that, it is his right. Whether to go or not to go does not mean that the Enforcement Directorate will arrest him in the, in this case. Now, certainly, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel again goes on to say that they have some more arguments that they want to put forth, for their case, and thus, the matter was adjourned yesterday. Today, the matter will resume, and after that, certainly, we are expecting that Supreme Court will be, in fact, pronouncing the order. Over to you.
Right. Thank you, Ishika, for joining us and bringing us those details. Now, big updates coming in on the fake video case related to Home Minister Amit Shah. According to the Delhi police sources, we're learning that notice has been issued to 5 people, including Telangana Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, as well as 3 people in Uttar Pradesh as well. These people have been called to Delhi for questioning, is what we're learning, and that they've been asked to bring their mobile phones with them. Remember, there was a fake video of Home Minister Amit Shah that was doing the rounds earlier, in which Amit Shah can be heard talking against a reservation. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, of course, had said that the Delhi police is a political tool of the BJP and had denied all of these charges. But now we're learning that sources are telling us that notice has been issued to 8 people, including the Telangana Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. 5 people have received notices in Telangana and 3 people in Uttar Pradesh. These people have been called to Delhi for questioning, is what we're learning. I'm being joined by my colleague Neeta with more details. Neeta, take us through what we're learning at this point. Sources telling us that 8 people have been called for questioning to Delhi with relation to the fake video case. And one of them includes, of course, CM Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, we've been reporting since yesterday that the Chief Minister of Telangana was also indeed summoned by Delhi Police Special Cell IFSO unit for 1st of May. He has to present himself before the Special Cell IFSO Cyber Cell unit on 1st of May. He, also, other 7 people have also been, called to Delhi. All these people have to bring their digital devices, which also includes if there is any digital device, a phone, a tablet, or any other digital device on which the video was either downloaded or uploaded. The case of Delhi police is simple. They say that the video of Union Home Minister was forged. In fact, it was body edited. So the audio was also edited. So the case has been registered under IPC and also IT sections. these all 7 to 8 people have to present themselves on 1st of May. And apart from the crime of it, the politics has already started. Yesterday we heard the Telangana Chief Minister how he had stated that the centre earlier was using Enforcement Directorate, Central Bureau of Investigation and Income Tax, but now they have also started using Delhi Police Special Cell. But as far as police is concerned, when we spoke to our sources, they say a case was forwarded to them by the Ministry of Home Affairs. In fact, the Telangana unit of Bharatiya Janata Party has also forwarded a complaint to Election Commission of India. Yesterday, senior leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party also met EC, that is the Election Commission, saying that through this video, Congress Party's intention was to propagate misinformation between people, because the edited video spoke about how the reservation is going to be done away with if BJP again comes back to power. So it was an edited video, and that's the reason why the Delhi police is investigating. So now the criminal bit is being investigated, but the political part of it will continue, because as we all know, the third phase of polling is scheduled for 7th May.
Right, thank you, Neeta, for joining us and bringing us those details on this development.